Welcome to today's video, where we're going to explore the fascinating process of how mobile phones are made. From the inception of an idea to the final product in your hand, it's a journey filled with innovation and technology. The process begins with design and planning. Engineers and designers brainstorm the phone's features, appearance, and functionalities. This phase involves creating detailed schematics and 3D models. Next, manufacturers select the components. This includes the processor, memory, camera modules, and more. These components are sourced from various suppliers around the world. The heart of mobile phone production is the assembly line. This is where all the components come together. Advanced machinery is used to place components onto the phone's circuit board, and everything is soldered in place. Once the hardware is assembled, it's time for software and firmware installation. This includes the operating system, user interface, and other software that make your phone functional. Quality control is a critical step. Each phone undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets the manufacturer's standards. This includes checking the camera, touchscreen, connectivity, and more. After passing quality control, phones are carefully packaged with accessories like chargers and headphones. They're then ready to be shipped to retailers. Phones are transported to retailers, often using global distribution networks. They may travel by land, sea, or air to reach their destinations. Finally, you, the end user, purchase the phone from your local store or online. The moment you unbox your new phone, you're holding the result of an intricate manufacturing process. That's a brief overview of how mobile phones are made. From design to assembly, rigorous testing to packaging, it's a complex journey of engineering and technology. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.